how to uninstall applications on your Windows laptop or your Windows PC. So let's see the applications we have first. To access them, we can just go to start, and here we can just click all, and here you can see we have all the applications that are installed in my computer right now. But you can also go to settings for it. To go to settings, we can just search settings in start, and then again we can go to the sidebar on the left side and go to apps, and in apps we have installed applications right over here. And here you can see these are all the installed applications on my computer. So let's say I do not want this application, which in this case is a theme. So themes are also installed as an application, and this is something I don't want. So I can go to the three dots over here and click on uninstall, and then I can click uninstall again, and it's going to get uninstalled. That is one way. Another way is again go to all the applications like we did before, and then you go through the list. And in this list, let's say I don't want Microsoft Teams. So again, I will right click on it and click on uninstall. And that is it. So it has been uninstalled in the background as well. We can also go to control panel, and in control panel we have programs. Go to uninstall a program, and again we have a list of all the installed programs on the computer. So let's say I don't want this. I will just select uninstall over here, and then it will uninstall. Alternatively, you also have an uninstall option on the top. So yeah, that's how easy it is to uninstall applications on Windows. If you have liked the video, do drop a like, share and subscribe.